Go on, Royal Mail van. I am a Miss Goody Two Shoes. To be honest, not too bad for a first attempt. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. And I'm creating another banger of a video for you guys because this is going to be another Abarth video. And today I'm doing a couple of little cosmetic touches to the Abarth. So basically I've sort of said to myself, whenever I'm doing anything to my cars, I might as well film it because I am a YouTuber after all. And videos go up on YouTube and that is what I do and that is what I want to do. Don't worry guys, these cosmetic changes aren't as much as the ones I did in my latest video. Click on the card above, where what I did to my Abarth in my last video is sort of a love it or hate it situation, and I thank you for the comments in that video because it's always good to get your guys' opinions who watch my videos. I like you guys have an input. It was pretty much a divided 50-50. Some guys loved it and some of you hated it, but that's fine, everyone's welcome to their opinion. But today what I'm going to do, I have my own sticker machine, so whenever I want stickers for my own car, and obviously I sell them on my website, but whenever I want to change the stickers on my own car, I literally go in my spare room in my little Driven 24/7 office, I cut them, I make them however I want to, and so that means I can then swap and change the stickers on my Abarth as much as I want to. I know stickers aren't for everyone, but I love them, and obviously it represents my brand, and this is my advertising tool. Obviously it's yellow enough and bright enough, but if I can have stickers on representing and advertising what I do, then obviously that's a cool canvas for me to do so. So the first thing that I'm going to do today is actually take the bottom windscreen sticker off. It is actually illegal, and like I say, I don't want to draw any attention to the police with this car because I am a Miss Goody Two Shoes. I'm not a rebel, so that will be coming off. However, I'm going to attempt for the first time in my whole life to fit a Sunstrip. Now I've never wanted to do this because it's going to be quite fiddly, but with the help from Martin in a little while, I'm going to put a gloss black Sunstrip at the top. I've then made another one of these to then stick on the black Sunstrip, so we should have a black Sunstrip with the yellow Driven 24/7 text. And then we're also going to be changing up some of the stickers to the rear of my Abarth. So I don't actually have any black vinyl to hand, so what I have done is I've cheated and I've gone to Halfords and bought this generic gloss black Sunstrip for £9.99, so at least it's going to be cut to shape. Obviously it's going to be excess, which I can cut off with my vinyl cutting tool, which is fine. So yeah, if you like what you see in this video, I could maybe look into making these myself and obviously selling them on my website, so do let me know in the comments below once the Sunstrip is added. Anyway, let's go and show you the rear of the car. And as if by magic, we've teleported ourselves to the rear of the Abarth. So here is my rear window with my advertising stickers. So at the moment, I've actually got a small driven247.co.uk. So what I'm going to do is what I've got at the bottom of the windscreen at the moment, I've made a smaller one. So I'm going to have the fancy Driven 24/7 and then a little website sticker. So I've still got a nice big sort of window sticker on the back, and then obviously it's advertising my website at the same time. So that's what we're going to do for the back. It's more about the front, and I'm looking forward to getting the Sunstrip on the front, to be honest. Hopefully it's not that much hard work. I've researched how to do it, so I'm going to crack on the back on my own because I'm capable of doing that, I think, she says. And then I'll grab Martin and we'll attempt the Sunstrip on the front of the car. So here's the sticker setup, guys. The top one's going to go on the rear window along with the website one sort of to that side of it. Then we've also got the Sunstrip, and then the bottom one is going to overlay the Sunstrip. So rear window, Sunstrip, Sunstrip. I've just remembered, in order to stick new stickers on, I have to take the old ones off, and that can be fiddly, so I'll see you in about an hour's time. So the sticker is now off. Obviously what I'm going to do is just clean the glass with said glass cleaner, and obviously a cloth. It has actually been raining, so go on, Royal Mail van. So obviously it has been raining, so this should sort of dry up anyway, so. And what stickers do is they leave a bit of an outline as to where they were, so the glass cleaner obviously clear off that outline. Just work glass cleaner in a bit. I can still see the shadow of my old website sticker. And it's always good to clean your glass anyway, guys, before you stick any stickers on, obviously. That was pretty grimy. Might just do it again, actually. This isn't a video about how to clean glass, by the way. although it is seeming that way. Right, glass now clean. Obviously nice clean surface for my new sticker to stick onto. So this is also the tricky bit. I'm a bit OCD, I like my stickers to be quite centralised and straight. So yeah, let's do it. So this is one of the stickers. It's a smaller version of what's on the windscreen at the bottom at the moment. That's planning to go central here, and I'm going to have a website sticker underneath there, probably to the right, I think. Yeah, let's try and line this up then. So I've got it on at the moment, but I don't know if it's skew if it's centralised. I think it's just a case of whether it's going to be straight, so I'm not really holding much hope. It can be a bit deceiving. It might look alright once this transfer paper's taken off. Oh, just a bit nervous. Right, let's do it then, guys. See if I've messed this up or not. Come on, not looking too bad. Ah, okie dokie, okie dokie. The thing is, guys, this is italic writing, so the writing's at a bend anyway, do you see what I mean? But what I'm sort of going by is I've got the 7 on a line and the D, then obviously because these letters are smaller than the D and the numbers, they're obviously not on the line. This is a cool thing about being OCD and having a sticker machine. If I don't like it, I can just take it off and make another one. But I'm also at the same point as I've just gone to all this effort, so I think that's alright, to be fair. That'll do. Just going to point out, I don't tend to use my wiper at the back here because obviously this is going to be in a sweep, so if you are sticking stickers on, it's not that big a deal if the wiper sort of encounters a sticker. It's just not ideal. Really, I would like to get a wiper delete kit. That might be another mod just to tidy up my little advertising board here at the back. So I've now got the little... Is that plane coming or not? I don't know. So I've now got my little Driven 24/7 website sticker, and the idea of that is to sort of have it at an angle. I don't know if I want it central. Maybe sort of thinking at an angle to the right here. I'm not too sure. Let's have a little play around and I'll get back to you in a minute. So obviously in the modified car world, people have them sort of all centralised, so part of me was thinking I'd have it to an angle like that. I don't know. Or do I just keep it centralised and have it in the middle? Let me know in the comments below. Website sticker in the middle, or I quite like it to the side. Oh, I don't know. So I've actually gone with the website sticker in the middle. I just think it'll look silly to one side. Let's just peel this one off. But yeah, this is my advertising canvas. Obviously this car, I take it to shows, I put photos of it on Instagram. Obviously it features heavily in my YouTube channel, my YouTube videos, so it'd be silly not to stick my own stickers on it, wouldn't it really, guys? Cool, I'm happy with that. Let me just show you a close-up and let me know if you're happy with it too. Let me know what your thoughts are, guys. I like that a lot. So we've got the Driven 24/7, and then we've got the Driven 24/7 website. Quite like this little text. And please don't tell me it's not centralised in the comments, because I think that's not too bad of a job, to be fair. So now it is a job to take this sticker off the bottom of the windscreen, to then put the Sunstrip on, and to get another one of those, put on the gloss black Sunstrip at the top. Probably me and mine will probably need to stand on stools, so obviously get the Sunstrip on. We're not going to be able to reach and position. So this is a job I can do myself. Then we'll bring Martin out and attempt this if it doesn't rain. So let's give it a go. Let's take this off first. So I have peeled the 7 off, but in the process of peeling it off, I just thought, why don't I leave it on there, so when I'm trying to align this sticker up there, I think that's pretty centralised, so we can match it up. So I think I'll leave that on there for a minute until the top Sunstrip's on and the top version of that sticker's on. Then I'll peel the bottom off. So we've got something to go by then. I think I'm going to leave it on there, and I think, even if I say so myself, that's a bloody good idea. Right, so we're about to attempt the Sunstrip on, obviously, the windscreen at the top of the car. So obviously I've got my little Halford Sunstrip. I've also got a knife to obviously cut around any excess. I've made up 2 squeegees as I don't have any. Then maybe I'll put a cloth over it to make sure it's not too sharp. So I think what I'm going to do first is just glass clean the top of the windscreen. Then you apparently use washing up liquid, so that way the Sunstrip, you can move it around to get it in place. We've got some stools either end of the car, so we can stand up and obviously work on the windscreen a bit better. So let's clean the windscreen first, some glass cleaner, and we'll go from there. Oh Jesus, this is sinking right in. Right, car now moved so I can safely get up and clean the rest of the windscreen. Beautiful. So we've just quickly mocked up the Sunstrip off camera to make sure it's all going to fit and stuff. So I've got my soapy water washing up liquid, liberally I think the word is, going to spray washing up liquid all over. Then we're going to peel the Sunstrip off, and then hopefully this will then lubricate the Sunstrip so you can move it around the car until it's exactly perfect, and then cut away the excess. So let's start with this and then peel off the Sunstrip and get that stuck hopefully. So you've got to peel it off and give it to me then? Oh, okay. I need to probably peel it off my end though, don't I?
Yeah.
Right, I've got it. Right, I'll take this white bit.
Okay.
Right, pull. Right, so you want it over. Line it up, pull it down your end. Try and line it up that line. Pull it down. Yeah, about there.
Yep.
Covered?
Beautiful. You covered over that edge?
Yeah. And then it's just a case of squeegeing that out then, yeah? I guess. So we've managed to stick the Sunstrip on before it rains, I think. So I'm just going to stick one of those stickers up there and we'll just see what it looks like, I think, once it's done. Right, do you think it's stuck? Got to hold the Sunstrip in place as well. Oh my god, what a nightmare. The Sunstrip wants to come off, doesn't it? God, that's tough, isn't it? Mm. Yes. Do you know that's pretty? That sticker is well straight, like on the Sunstrip. So sticker was on. The only thing we found was when we were peeling off the yellow vinyl, the Sunstrip wanted to come with it, so we had to hold the Sunstrip on and obviously pull away the tape, backing tape from the yellow sticker. It's okay from a distance, on the naked eye it's all good. I've tried to go around with my cutting tool as neat as I can around the edges to cut off the excess. It's very hard. I think it will do for now. In the future, I think I'll definitely pay someone like a professional to stick the Sunstrip on and cut around it like 100% perfectly. But for me and Martin, I mean, I'm quite impressed. It will do. I'm happy with that. First ever attempt of doing a Sunstrip. All that's left is for me to clean the glass because obviously there's all dried in and washing up liquid all over the place. Do you know what? And the Driven 24/7 sticker as well. It's nice and straight actually. Whether it's quite in the middle, I don't know. It's just starting to rain. It's not quite as center as I would like. It needs to go over this way a bit more. I don't know. It's only £10 wasted if I take it all off again, which I probably will. But it was just worth a go. Trial experiment. I might keep it up there just because I do want a Driven 24 sticker at the top, so I probably will keep it up there for a while. Just a button. All I need to do is basically print off another yellow Driven 24/7 sticker and put it more in the middle, so it's not the whole Sunstrip that I'm unhappy about. It's just the placing of the Driven 24/7 sticker over the top. However, we had better success with the rear. That was much more my kind of thing. Much more happy with the rear. That is something I am capable of doing myself, so I'm happy with that. But yeah, it was worth having a go at a Sunstrip. Never done it before. Glad I did, in a way. Another cut in. Also, I didn't film all the process of us laying down the Sunstrip because it was very stressful, believe you me. So I think that's it for this video. The rear definitely looks better than the front. The front does look good, but it is a bit too far over to one side. But to be honest, not too bad for a first attempt. But a big thanks to my fiance Martin for helping me. Like I say, I think it's pretty good for a first attempt. So it's just a little video of adding some stickers onto my advertising tool, which is my modified Abarth. Let me know your thoughts on the Sunstrip and sticker in the comments below. If you want to buy one from me, obviously I can do the text in different colours at the top, blue, red, whatever colour, silver, whatever. Then do comment in below. It might be something I can look into selling on my website. There's a noisy plane coming over. And this was just another little Abarth video for you guys. So if you've liked this one, then please give it a big fat like. Do follow my social media to see them all at the end of the video. And most importantly, please do subscribe and help a girl out. And make sure that bell's rung so you're notified every time video does go up on my automotive YouTube channel. And if you want to buy any Driven 24/7 stickers in the meantime, head to my website, driven247.co.uk. Bye.